so I tried looking into anamorphic art in my art book, but मुझे कुछ मिला नहीं. So I just went to the museum to look for myself, and let's see इस vlog में होने क्या क्या वाला है. I'm so excited to share this one with you all. So let's see. I'm still learning camera angles and this is such a good angle. ये मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं सोचा कि मैं अपना tripod लेके आई और हम लोग ऐसे अपना Q&A कर सकते थे. It's not called get ready with me, it's called Garo. So let's start the day from the beginning. Hey everyone. I am going to make an outside vlog after a long fucking time, and it was about time that I stepped out. So let's get ready to go to a museum. I was not aware what anamorphic art actually is. It's like a distorted art which looks different from every angle, and I'm very curious to find out how it looks in person. I'm gonna go with a friend who has never been to art museums or galleries before, as far as I know. I have shared a mood board with him. We can match what we are wearing. Let's see if he follows through. These look good. Nail polish is removed. Nails are yet to be cut. Do a little makeup. एक टाइम था जब मुझे मेकअप करना नहीं आता था, मेरे पास मेकअप रिलेटेड कुछ भी नहीं था. बट नाउ वी आर नॉट द सेम पर्सन एनी मोर. अभी भी मेकअप करना नहीं आता है, बट आई थिंक आई हैव गॉटन बेटर एट वॉट एवर आई कैन मैनेज. दिस इज सो कूल. मेरी फर्स्ट एवर मेकअप वीडियो विच डिडंट get the internet pass, as in I was a little insecure to upload it, is when I used color corrector for the first time and learned like how to even use it. I guess there still might be a few things that I'm not doing right, but we are learning. We are learning every fucking thing. Wanted to put eyeliner, but उसमें बहुत time लगेगा and I'm already running late. ये back पे काजल कभी ऐसा हुआ कि left eye में ज़्यादा better लगे than the right eye. My favorite fucking thing, blush. मम्मी को भी लेके आई. When she was like, अरे वाह face पे थोड़ा अच्छा glow आता है इससे. Yes. Now just some lipstick and we'll be done. I used to put lip liner when I was in college, I guess. उस टाइम कोई नहीं लगाता था, अब सब लगाने लगे. जब मेरे लिप लाइनर एक्सपायर हो चुके 2 साल पहले, एंड आई थ्रू एवरी कलर. आई हैड लाइक 15 का सेट. ओके, आई एम रनिंग वेरी लेट. और ऊपर हो जा रहे भाई. तो ट्राइपॉड सेट करते करते मेरी आधी ज़िंदगी पार हो जाएगी. सनग्लासेस भी अगर प्रिस्क्रिप्शन वाले हैं तो यू गाइस नो द रियल पेन कि इनको भी कैरी करना पड़ता है. ओके, आई जस्ट क्विकली प्रिपेयर माई बैग एंड देन वी आर गुड टू गो. फिर मेरे दोस्त से मिलेंगे. मागो. सो एज आई सेड, मैंने एक मूड बोर्ड शेयर किया था. लेट्स सी. इट हैज़ बेज, इट हैज़ ब्राउन, इट हैज़ ब्लैक. काफ़ी अच्छा मैच किया है हमने. वेल डन. क्या बोल रहा है?
सुना ही नहीं. तुम क्या बोल रही थी?
मैं बोली कि मैं ऑटो से जाने वाली थी, बट आई डिसाइडेड कि बाइक से जाऊंगी बिकॉज आई एम फ्यूल डिगर.
हम भी लेंगे.
बिरयानी खिलाएगा मियाँ जी. बिरयानी सनलाइट में तो मेरी ब्राउन ब्राउन आंखें दिखनी चाहिए. See you guys at the museum. वहाँ पे पता नहीं रिकॉर्डिंग अलाउड है कि नहीं. विल सी. फोटो तो खींची लूँगी मैं. हम आ चुके हैं. ठीक, हम आ चुके हैं म्यूज़ियम. मेरे सामने है. लेट मी जस्ट दिस थोड़ा सा. भाई बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है मेरे को ये प्रो वीडियो एंड ऑल यूज़ करके, बिकॉज एडिट मतलब रिकॉर्ड करते करते आई कैन एडजस्ट एवरीथिंग. ओ माय गॉड. आ गए हम इसके फर्स्ट म्यूज़ियम में. वो मेरा दूसरे बी रोल्स ले रहा है.
अनपेड इंटर्न.
उसको अभी कुछ सिखाया नहीं है. आज ही मैंने वीडियो देखी, मियाँ जी 5 रुपये मांगे तो उसको 4 देना है.
इसीलिए हम 6 मांगेंगे, फिर ये मेरे को 5.
ये भी मेरा ही आइडिया था बाय द वे. now we have seen the gallery slash museum, and we are sitting in the cafe area where there's free coffee. It's called Legacy Lounge. I think you should visit this place. And I came with my friend Razi, and I'm gonna ask him a few questions.
Interesting.
Loud.
Intriguing. I've never visited such kind of a place, so it was a new experience. You might not have seen something like this before. It is a mixture of like studied ray optics and all in physics. Like he has used it very well in her art. Initially जब आप देखो anamorphic art तो you will be confused कि ऐसा कैसे कोई बना सकता है. But after like 15-20 painting, there was a slide which explained how she went about that. वो था ना linear, then transform that to क्या बोलते हैं उसको surface में, then circular. तो it is all physics, but still thinking in that way is very, how do I say, very artistic of her.
So I'm still learning camera angles, and this is such a good angle. कॉफी पीना है? कॉफी आ गई है. I hope चीनी हो इसमें.
भी हमारा मूड से मैच कर रहा है.
और मेरी जीप जल गई.
As usual.
गाइस मेरे को माइक स्पॉन्सर कर दो प्लीज़. अभी मेरी आवाज़ कितनी अच्छी आती अगर मेरा माइक होता तो.
ये देखो ये जो कर रहे इसका पेमेंट तो करने से डालेंगे. फ्री का स्टार मिल गया इसको.
क्या मिल गया?
स्टार
मतलब
आ गया मैंने उसको. अब मैं चपर चपर करने वाली हूँ.
सबसे पहली बात कितना अच्छा लग रहा है फ्रेम. यही से अपनी इंट्रो वीडियो क्रॉप कर लूँ क्या? पेंटिंग्स दैट आई सॉ राइट नाउ. सो व्हाट आई गॉट टू नो इज शिरीन मिलर की जो डॉटर है, शी हैज़ क्यूरेटेड दिस म्यूजियम. एक्चुअली शिरीन हैज़ had museums all over the world. Like there are a lot of newspaper clippings inside in various languages. It's in Greek, it's in Arabic, it's in English, it's in Hindi. I think it's Urdu also, I don't know, but so many languages. French is there. A lot of places she has been. She has met some very notable people, some presidents and princes of the world. She has painted them through her anamorphic style as well. There was England's Queen Elizabeth II was George Bush की painting she has made. So she met the first Nigerian prince, I think. This is the problem. We are not allowed to take photos, and I can't recall and remember all of the names of paintings and everything.
Girl, instead of complaining, just take a notebook and pen next time.
I think it took us around 20-30 minutes more. If you stop and read, which we do, it will take you a little around that. I think, yeah, 30 minutes is a good benchmark to go around the room. It's just one floor which has wooden sculptures. There was one wooden sculpture of a woman with her hair flying, and she was holding a veena. So beautiful. Like, I want those kind of pieces in my house or something like this. What I'm trying to say is something which shows femininity and art by women. The description of the anamorphic art, I guess I am not gonna do that because what Razi said is so well explained. But yeah, she did it so well. Like if that cylinder is placed a little somewhere else, I think it will show a completely different image than what the artist was expecting. So every actual painting had a box or a sphere or something in the middle or at some place where that cylinder is supposed to be placed so that the vision of her art will come. I was like just thinking ki maybe she made something and there was like a cylinder. You know, sometimes we see that kind of thing when we look at
The taps or glass or bottles or something.
So maybe she saw her art distorted in that manner, and then she was like, what if I draw that and that reflects in the cylinder? But then this art style actually was started by Leonardo da Vinci, who is generally famous for Mona Lisa and his other work. I don't actually know any other artist who has done this. Today I saw an Indian who did that, and I'm so happy to see it. That's all I want to say right now, and now I'm gonna go eat because I am hungry. हम आ चुके हैं खाने करामा में और हमने मंगवाई है बिरयानी, चिकन बिरयानी एंड सम मटन पेपर कबाब बिकॉज आई लव कबाब. Now I'm back home after that eventful day and delicious as fuck food. कुनाफा रिटर्न्स अगेन. आई थिंक जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम एवर आउटसाइड रिकॉर्ड किया था उस दिन भी मैंने कुनाफा खाया था और उसमें भी मैंने बोला था कि वाह आई लव कुनाफा. समहाउ इट फेल्ट अ लिटिल इनकम्प्लीट इफ आई डोंट कम बैक होम एंड रिकॉर्ड a little bit new art form unlocked. If you guys know any other interesting museums, art galleries in the city, do let me know. I would love to check them out. I have been to MAP, I have been to NGMA. I'm waiting for them to change the curation that they currently have. I think I saw the whole of MAP the last time I went. So I would want to see newly curated stuff out there. Oh yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I explored a new method of recording the videos in public, which was through the pro mode of my phone. Today whatever is there in the video is what I have learned just by playing around the settings and yet to watch a proper tutorial and understand what everything means. Like I know white balance से क्या हो रहा है. I have to click on everything and see कि किस moment पे किस setting को कम या ज़्यादा करने से the footage is coming out nice. So that is something that I have to learn and I'll do that before my next outdoor vlog and then we'll see how that goes. So yes, that's all. Bye bye. Like, share, subscribe.